Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And I started off this video with a sneeze, and well, it wasn't that great of a sneeze because it was a hurting sneeze. No, it wasn't actually a hurting sneeze. Well, today we're gonna be watching some YouTube clips. Another sneeze, and we're gonna be watching some YouTube clips and some very funny YouTube clips. So let's jump right in. Like, subscribe. Yeah. First of all, comment down below what kind of other YouTube clips I should make next. Or games. But you gotta tell me the exact game, else I can't download it, because it'll just be a different game. Or just give me the link. Okay, so we're gonna be doing funny clips. Funny clips to put in your videos. Okay, let's watch this one.
It was almost unanimous. Require insurance.
We're just gonna watch. Try not to laugh. Let's do funny memes. Funny memes. Best memes. Please be quiet. Get out of here. Huh? Oh, I'm recording.
Not taking my eyes off you.
Hey, SpongeBob.
Hi, Patrick.
Who painted the Mona Lisa? Da Vinci?
Huh.
You want to play a little game?
Stop licking your butthole. Don't lick your butthole, boys. No. Okay. No. Go with your butthole.
Untrained meteorologist reporting on the snow. I mean, it's in the streets.
Be a man.
Just have one thing to say.
Biden.
Hi.
Really bad. Oh.
Where did Hannah go? What's up, fuckers?
Jimmy! Go to Del Taco and get the cherry popper shit. Put a bunch in your mouth. Look at this.
When your boss thanks you for working extra hours, but you just don't have a social life. What, Buzz has a brother?
Down throwing dirt on my name. Now I come through stunting. They don't even look my way. If you catch a glimpse, you might blind yourself. I dress like I really, really love myself. Don't eat past 8 o'clock, right? Okay, now look, hear me out. Why is there a light bulb in the fridge if we're not supposed to eat past 8 o'clock?
He's like, what? Oh, you. Blue. Where's my dog? Blue. Oh, what?
Hey, yo, the pizza here.
Oh,
Nigga! My ears burn.
ouch. I know.
But what the fuck are those? I'm on your ass, boy. Or your skin tone tickle won't leave me alone here.
Blue.
Levi, the cops are looking for you, bud.
This on the sexless. I'm gonna drop my croissant.
What if I tell you that this could be your room? Sound impossible? Leaplex presents you the LED Galaxy Creator. With just one device, you can transform your home into a breathtaking galaxy sky. Plug the